In this video, we will be solving exponential equations, and we will solve 4 problems. This is the first problem, the second problem, the third problem, and the fourth problem. And in all 4 of these questions, we are solving for x. So for the first one, 3 squared is equal to 3 raised to 3x minus 5. They have the same bases. And so we could say that 2 is equal to 3x minus 5, since the bases are the same. So 2 is equal to 3x minus 5. We could add 5 here, add 5 here. So 7 is equal to 3x. Therefore, x is equal to 7 over 3. And so this right here would be the final answer. Next, we have 2 raised to 4 times x is equal to 4 raised to x plus 3. And so the trick in this problem is to get a common base. So for this we have 2, and for this we have 4. So instead of saying 4, we could say 2 squared. 2 squared is equivalent to 4. So 4x is equal to this, 2 parentheses x plus 3. So 4x is equal to 2x plus 6, minus 2x minus 2x. So 2x is equal to 6, therefore x is equal to 3. Next one, 4 raised to x is equal to, parentheses, 1/2 raised to x minus 6. And so we could say, instead of saying 4, we could say 2 squared. 2 squared is equivalent to 4. And instead of saying 1 over 2, we could say 2 raised to negative 1. This is equivalent to 1/2 raised to x minus 6. And now, since we have a common base, the base is 2, we could say that 2 times x, 2x, is equal to minus 1 times, parentheses, x minus 6. So minus 1 times x is negative x, minus 1 times negative 6 is plus 6. So we add x here, 3x is equal to 6, therefore x is equal to 2. The last question, 3 raised to x is equal to, parentheses, 1 divided by n, close parentheses, raised to 2x plus 5. We want to get a common base. The base here is 3, the base here is 1 over 9. Instead of saying 1 over 9, we could say 3 raised to negative 2. 3 raised to negative 2 is equivalent to 1 over 9. So now we have a common base of 3. 3. So we could say 3 raised to x is equal to negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. So common base of 3, common base of 3. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4x minus 10 plus 4x plus 4x. 5x is equal to minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. And for all of these problems, if we wanted to, we could plug x back into the original equation. For example, in this problem, 3 times 7 over 3 would be 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 3/2, 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2. And you can do the same for the other 3 problems. And that's all we need to do to solve exponential equations.